Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase books in Heartopia. So you're going to go to the bookstall. It says, who set up the self-service bookstall on Residential Street? No one knows yet, but it's open to everyone. You can also write your own book. To purchase a book, just press the icon up here, and then you can literally buy books. You can buy books that are written by the residents, I guess, and then you have here written by the DG members. I have this one. You can kind of preview it before you buy it, so you can trial read it first, and then you can also react to it here if you'd like to. But that is how you can buy books in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!